We've popped into Kail and Co in Sunderland. Now, straight away you're thinking machine shop, milling, turning, EDM, some big components, some intricate components, aerospace, oil and gas, defence, motorsport, but design as well.
Yes, design, yes. So we've we've taken a lot of the hand sketches and obviously taken them out onto the shop floor, basically keeping it in the one office. Basically, I'll still work with a group of the team. We'll put something out onto the computers on both. We've got two packages. We've got Autodesk Inventor and we've got Siemens NX up to version 12 now. So we're ready for basically any new customer who's using that type of software. We can accept models and we can also give them models back.
Okay, so I'm thinking 2 or 3 things here. First of all, a designer will come to you with a concept and you'll actually say, this is how you're going to manufacture it?
Basically, sometimes we've worked with a few customers where they have a problem. They want to try and increase production. They want to try and come up with a better solution. So we can have a few meetings with them and then obviously we can try and understand what they actually want. We can give them something back in terms of what we can offer. And then if they want to go ahead with that, then obviously that's when we'll start to develop a new concept and then give them a few prototypes, see whether it's working for them.
Okay, no disrespect to designers out there, but sometimes you can't actually manufacture what they want, but you can add that value, is that correct?
Yes, we can, yeah. We've got experienced guys, obviously, in the office where we can pretty much look at a drawing and say, look, this is not how we would machine it, this is how we would. We've worked a lot with doing a lot of R&D with certain customers to try and help develop their solutions, make their product a lot better and a lot more durable.
Okay, and then it's also about components that people come to you, which I know what they want, but you can add value to that as well, is that right?
So yes, so obviously they can come and obviously if they want anything modifying, basically we can accept models, we can do what we would think would be right in terms of any work holding or any type of development. So
ultimately adding value. Now, proof of pudding is in the eating. I want to see something you've actually designed.
Yes, so basically this is a nibbing machine. This is for one of our customers. Basically it involves a lot of hydraulic pressure. Basically we've got some components on the top there, some cylinders, hydraulic boosters, and we've also got like a control panel in there. So we've got some safety barriers on there, so obviously keeping in touch with the health and safety side aspects of the job, which is obviously very crucial. And basically this is something that we've increased production for one of our customers. The cycle was 1 minute, they were getting 2 per minute. We've actually increased that for 6 per minute. We can actually increase the time if we did want to, and we have been told that the machines ran night and day for the last however many years it's been in.
Brilliant. No, that's an impressive piece of machinery there. So ultimately, Kail and Co, machining, turning, EDM, but design, concepts, ideas, anything like that.
Basically, yeah. So this entire machine, in terms of the base plates and everything, or even as like the fastenings, we've turned them ourselves, we've machined them ourselves, assembled it together ourselves, load tested. Obviously we get them types of areas, we send them out, but all through our trusted supplier range really.
Excellent. Carl, great example, fantastic, really impressive stuff there. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.